What up?
What?
Video time!
Yes.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yes, look at that. Yesterday we did the we did the bumper, we did the arc liners. I fixed the can you even see it? Yeah, I fixed the mounting points for the arc liners because the easiest thing when this, like, it has like a, not a bolt but something threaded sticking out of it, and the easiest thing to do when this kind of rusts away is to just drill a hole next to it, and that was annoying. So, oh, you can't even see it anymore.
Yeah, so it's basically like a nut pressed into the metal.
Exactly, and then just bolt
yeah,
through
bolts.
the inside outside, and it's mint. So we just need to put the wheels on.
It's gonna touch
Go on
ground
the
today.
floor in 2 years. Yes, in
Crazy.
2 years. Remember what I said? I'm thinking 2 months.
Yeah, it's 3 months.
It's been 2 years.
Yeah,
We
the
did.
usual.
I mean, a guy came around.
Look how much shit is on there.
Yeah.
You can't even see the guy through the window.
We will watch it. A guy came in the morning and did the this time properly.
Ooh.
And the funny thing is, I mean, the reason why it's fucked up, I mean, why it broke, is because I think this is where the old one is. Like the boss kit, if you imagine a center hole, has like 2 pieces sticking out of it, and we didn't care about that. Like, we put it on and bolted it on, and once you bolt it on, it kind of breaks. Look, it's there, and we broke it. So we had to cut those 2 little things off, made like a flush circle, and now it's on and it works. We just have to solder this back into the place. I cut the connector, this one I think, solder this on, put on steering wheel on, wheels on, car on the floor, wash, hopefully.
Okay, so I made this majestical contraption, put some friggin' Tessa tape on it, and we good. The most important part of the project, finding your bolts, which are somewhere in there.
We had a bolt, I literally had it in my hand, and now it's gone. It's gone.
You're a wizard, Harry!
You can't find the fucking bolt now. The fuck? Oh, I
There
missed
you go.
this. I missed this. Where are the keys? Give me the keys.
It's got a wheel again, crazy!
Why is it not You gave me the wrong keys.
You give me the wrong keys. Okay, stand by, looking for keys. He found keys. He almost died. We'll keep you updated.
Oh yeah. Look at the wheels, they turn.
Oh, that's crazy!
Oh yes.
Look at that! I mean, there's no wheels, but sure.
Oh yes. Oh, I miss the feeling of this. Oh, beautiful. And with the pure motorsport shifter, it's just like,
Great, let's go for a drive!
this goes on its own wheels.
Crazy!
Amazing. Camber bolts, we have to fit them. Front wheels, car goes down. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Let's go!
Let's go.
We're figuring out how to fit camera bolts, so kinda goes like in there.
Okay, and then you
Then-
put a nut on.
Do the knot.
Okay, dude, but you kind of have to, right? Where's the thing? Wait, it's 18, right?
I hope she's 18.
This is 18, and that one is, I think, also what?
16.
No, it's
That's
it's,
kinda
it's
dangerous.
15.
Oh my god, that's dangerous. Jailbait?
But pull it off, pull it off, pull it off. Yes. But I don't know how much you. I mean,
At least she's 21, so that's good. I don't know. Camera experts can do that, so
pause.
just
Pause.
time to jack off. The sun has shined upon this ground after years. So what you wanna say about this?
That the pictures are sexy as fuck.
Oh my god.
It looks sexy as fuck, just look at it. We hit the camber perfectly.
Look
Camber
at
shims did their job at
the
the
sexy
back,
mismatch, oh yeah, boy.
and the camber bolts did their thing on the front. It's amazing. Just when you just look at it. Oh my god! You just can't look at it. Just look at it.
So what's next?
We get a Formula Renault fuel rail tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Hopefully that will fit, so we will have an actual Formula Renault part on the Clio, and that's gonna be gnarly. But the next part is to clean the garage, move the car out of the garage, put this car into the garage, and start assembling the oil cooler and everything. You will see it. Complete Mishimoto kit.
Next video.
Tomorrow.
Nope.
Hopefully.
Nope.
But that's pretty much it. Just do some sexy shots.
Look at it.
The fuck is that?
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Dead. Dead, of course. Oh, big wooks. Wanna explain what you got there, boy?
A shifter.
A shifter. My god.
Once again,
It's cardboard.
no, it's shifter. I mean, these are bolts and nuts and washers.
Crazy.
This is the
Shifter.
shifter. And this is the rod.
Your big black rod.
Oh yeah. No, it's a bit curvy, but it's fine. And then we have the Majestic shifter. It's beautiful.
Oh, reversal.
Yeah, so should be fine.
Shifter. Anything else you got here?
I have the. How boring is this? There's no fucking hype.
Be excited about it.
No, I'm.
It's not like this is scrap. Oh, I got this shifter here.
We have an oil cooler.
Oh my god, we have an oil cooler. Come on, get high, boy.
Oh my god!
Okay,
I think you've seen this before.
much hype.
One time before. The
Bunch of
Mishimoto
plates.
thermostatic sandwich plate. And now we have some AN fittings, we have some sensors. You've seen this once before as well. This difference here that we have now a Mishimoto 10-row oil cooler. Because the Mokal one, the fittings on this were a bit weird. And the fittings on this are a bit weird. And there was no way to successfully join them together. So we gave up. We sold everything non-Mishimoto and we just bought everything Mishimoto. So
Crazy.
everything fits. We're just waiting for the pipe. And then we shall have fun with... Yes, with everything.
Fittings, yeah.
We have some more stuff in the garage.
Alright, here in his garage.
We're not there yet, but okay. We have...
A car.
Yes. On the car we have this fuel rail. I'm not gonna pronounce it, Skater or KTR or whatever, from Katek Racing. Oh, we got more light, beautiful. We have that on there. We have
Big PP.
the Tesa Motorsport Carbon Series. Hopefully this one will be better than the previous one.
Yeah, remember that video?
Yeah. We lost the linkage, aka D-throttle cable.
This is okay.
And then here comes the throttle body, and then something I'm very fond of right now is remember the crappy V6 fuel housing airbox that was all fucked up? We sanded all this down, primer, painted properly. So it's gonna be this dramatization, this, and the thing, and then the thing, like so. Or like down, I'm not yet decided. Probably it's gonna be down because of space. And then, I mean...
Everything's gonna fall off and...
No, like that and then the battery there and some other things like that. That's the plan. But before we can get to... Did it scratch? Because I will lose my shit. Okay, it's
Probably.
But before that, we have to sort the
everything.
everything. Yes, exactly. We just yesterday ordered fittings for the fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator that will be fitted here. All the pipes. So yes, after we do that, we have to go to the oily thing. And the issue with that is, I think we already showed you once before, that because of all these fucking pipes, the sandwich plate doesn't fit. So we'll have to figure something out, maybe new servo, whatever, pipes that we will have to reroute to get to the steering column, but that's pretty much it. And once all that is done, battery, the electricity. Oh, we have the. Oh wait, it's not. Yeah, wait. We also got
Boxes.
Yes, but what's in the box?
What's in the box? Bubble wrap.
Yes. In the box we have
Oh yeah.
a new.
Yes.
No, stop.
Yes. Oh.
In the box we have a new fuse box. So
Yeah, we don't care.
in terms, we have a box inside a box.
Oh.
I'm thinking about painting it because it's also like, and it's like somehow it fits something along those lines. I try not to break it. Like imagine it so a bit more in there, and then the electricity, and then everything else.
Great.
But yeah, it's gonna take a while to do. So that's where we are now. Have to clean everything here, and then just continue working on the garbage. I don't know what else to say.
Hey, at least we got a garage now. We're not out there.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Snow next week.
That's good. Yeah, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, the plan is to put the oil in and fit the shifter. See you in the next video. Subscribe to our OnlyFans. www.onlyfans.
Trash life.
Exactly.
We will post food pics every day. Thanks, bye.
Oh.
Ooh, sneak peek! Subscribe for more!